Hello, we're back. Who knew?
Finally.
Yes, it's been a long time.
5 months, hasn't it?
Yeah, 6 months. And we're finally travelling again, although in the middle of a pandemic.
Not ideal, you could say.
No.
So we're on our way to France.
Yes, and the most pandemic-friendly version we could find is taking the Channel Tunnel in the car. So you don't drive through the tunnel, you're on a train as well.
You are?
Yeah, you drive onto a train and that goes through the tunnel. And you stay in your own car, and you can't use the loos. It's probably because of the pandemic. It's very much stay put. It's half an hour, and then you drive off the other side, and you're there in France.
Oh, it almost seems too good to be true. 36
Yes.
minutes on the train, and you're there.
Yes.
Looking up into the sky for sharks. Hopefully not.
When was it built? It was about 20 years ago. And
It's falling apart.
Been on it a few times. Obviously it goes right under the seabed, so you're not going to have leaks or anything. Keep telling the kids it's alright, there won't be sharks. But so yeah, we're excited to get away. We're staying in a house and going to keep away from everyone, for their sake as much as for ourselves.
I have got my mask
Why
on.
is that then? Passport?
Yeah.
That's self-checking.
Yeah. Self-check-in. I don't need this then, do I?
No.
Ugh. Right. 15:20. So we could go on your book departure. We could go on an earlier one.
Go
Should
on
we
the
do that?
earlier one, definitely, yeah.
Yeah. Printing something out of somewhere. There it is. Ugh. Please take your hanger.
That's to hang off the near the mirror.
Does it look like something you can hang? Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I can see. Is that it? I think we're done.
Press check-in, press the button.
That's it, we're done. It's on green.
Oh, okay.
We're on. So passenger traffic. Here we go.
So we've got the earlier train, which is cool because we're, as usual, we leave out early because we don't want to be late.
It's in the signpost. France.
So we're in the double-decker section because we're a slightly taller car. Really quiet.
It is, isn't it?
I don't know if we probably have mentioned it before, but the British government is threatening to put a quarantine on arrivals back from France at any moment. So that's something that we're facing when we return, quite probably. But Dan can work at home, so other than losing our walker day, it isn't that bad. And we just needed to see the sea and get out now. But thanks, government.
Yeah, exactly. Slightly worried whether we're going to get on or not. It's a bit busy.
It's really, really quiet, isn't it? It's so quiet. Should have checked the news this morning. Tiny bit nervous.
Slightly stressy, yeah.
But these are normally jam-packed. It's quite tight though, isn't it? With the wall and the bollards.
There's the train down there.
Train tracks. Where are we getting on the earlier train?
It's not impossible.
Actually, this is the earlier one. That's the train. Looks like we're grabbing the earlier train.
does, doesn't it?
It's an amazing invention to get this car fully loaded right through this thing. Huh? It's not a rust bucket. It's stainless steel. What are you talking about? Amy disapproves of the solidity of the train. It wouldn't hold back the water for you, whatever solid it had. It's extraordinary to be driving onto a train. I'd be glad when we've turned our engines off. It's very fumy for them. Need to go back a bit, yeah, over the doorway between the two trains, by the looks of it. So,
This is it, guys.
yeah, we're in a middle, we're in this carriage. We almost went into the next one and they told us to reverse and the shutters have gone down and here we are.
So here we are, just waiting for the train to kick off and start our 36-minute journey.
Yes, we seem to have grabbed an earlier train and now we've got an even earlier one by complete mistake or chance.
Well, I hope so, because I need to loo a little bit. So the toilets are shut.
Toilets.
We were promised toilets before we boarded, and
Oh, we'll go to this one and then suddenly we were being directed onto it. Oh well.
exactly. Oh well, there's always the carpet. Okay, well, we'll keep you informed of our progress.
That it's according to the UK and French government requirements of social distancing, it's strictly forbidden to get out of your vehicles. Unfortunately, the use of on-board toilets is also forbidden. Ici, on a distanciation sociale est strictement interdite.
What do you think of it so far, then?
It's a non-event really, other than the fact that you know you're in the help hour and you can see it like that.
Well, yeah, I'm trying not to think about that really, but it's very dark outside.
They would only be about a mile.
Okay.
That's top of my head.
Well, thanks for that. Yeah.
Don't actually do anything, but
Well, it is on top of your head right now, actually. Yeah.
above us, it's the whole channel.
That is actually. So the ferries that we went on, they're all going across above us. Amazing, isn't it, really, when you think about it? The technology. Hopefully. Absolutely. Well, we just went over quite a big bump, which I reckon was where the England people met the French people and they couldn't be bothered to join the track ride. What do you think, Faye?
It's a theory.
It's a theory. Yeah, it certainly made my ears pop.
What's weird is that you can feel your ears going a little bit. It must be pressurised. But
Yeah.
there is a slight difference.
There is. Yeah, well, I suppose, you know, if we're that deep, that far down, yeah.
Boils north.
Absolutely.
Work it out.
Yeah. Wow, that's a bit hot, isn't it? I seem to have got quite red. We're here.
Yeah, it's a hot day and Not sure there's any air conditioning.
Exactly. No, well, there isn't any. Definitely. No. Well, we are in cars, I suppose. But we're here in France. Amazingly, was it 30 minutes? So.
Can't wait to get out of the room, get the windows open.
Exactly. Get the air conditioning on.
Yeah, it's a hot day, but
Yeah. 32 degrees it is today. So pretty hot.
Alright, air conditioning's nice, get that going. Driving back out of the train.
In 200 yards, side right.
A few bottles of water there, look, you missed that.
Yeah.
Outrageous.
Perhaps it's the first class compartment.
It does look better, doesn't it?
Here's
Better
some
seats.
Here's some bottled water. Well, I think we officially survived.
I think we did officially survive, and what's more, we're in France.
Yeah.
This
Slide right, then turn
is
right.
France.
Continue straight, then turn right. Take the next right.
So what side are you driving down?
I'm hopefully driving on the right. Is it the right?
On the right.
Yeah, the right. Hopefully.
And where's your steering wheel? Left or right to the car?
It's on the right.
On the right.
Yes. So that's the side to drive.
Yes. So you've
That's-
got to be in the centre of the road.
That's going to be tricky. I don't like doing this.
You've got lots of experience.
In a quarter of a
Yes.
mile, keep left to continue on Avenue de France.
The tricky bit is roundabouts.
Oh, I don't like roundabouts.
Just have to wait for the person in front to
Yeah.
go.
So it looks like there's no passport control or anything because we've done passport control the other side.
Yeah, they sort of process it all. They do the same for the ferries, don't they?
They do.
Process it and then you're free to go.
That's true, but there's normally some sort of customs check or something.
Yeah. I see.
I mean-
Not out of the woods yet.
All that chilled stuff we brought
In a
here.
quarter
It's
of a mile,
outrageous.
All those sausages.
Yeah.
Also 16.
English sausages, I mean, crikey.
not
That's
right.
probably illegal.
I love seeing signposts like that. Where do you want to go? Paris, maybe? That would be fun, wouldn't it?
It would, wouldn't it?
Maybe not.